Hi guys, today we are playing with my friend Nathan. You don't see him, now you are seeing him in the first time. Saring, hello guys. Saring.
Hello guys.
That is his voice, bro. What the freak? Nah, bro, nah. Yeah, let's go. Let's play this game. It's cool.
What game?
Oh my God, Sammy is here. Ah, I died. Ooh.
How can I collect the monies?
They're sleeping. They are sleeping. We're gonna. No. Yay, yay. Talpa di Ferro. Woo. Talpa di Ferro. Yeah, Talpa di Ferro.
Thank you for the Sigma girl. Huh?
He gave it to you, bro?
What?
He gave it to you?
What? I don't have it. What is my Sigma girl?
No, bro. No,
You recording?
she's scam, bro. She scam.
I got it, but in teleportation.
Ah!
Sorry. I can collect the troll meron.
Truly bello, truly China. Ballerina cappuccino.
Are you recording?
Yeah, bro.
Stop English. I know you're English.
Yeah.
Shut up!
Shut up.
Shut up!
Shut
You
up.
shut up!
Shut up.
Shut up! You shut up! You shut up! Yes! I see my Sigma girl!
Waray. Yes.
It's a legendary Sigma girl!
Huh? It's a legendary? No, I had no. No, guys. No. No. Hey, you.
Hey man, ba't ka nga magnitan?
No.
I see a gorilla watermelon gorilla. I see a mythic.
Yo, she's
Team up! There's a bombardino in the loose.
Nah, bro. Nah. You're good.
Shut up.
Shut up, bitch. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry, I said a bad word. Sorry. Bye, guys. It's from today. The end. The video and bye, guys. Subscribe, like, and subscribe.